Hey, fifth grade mathers. Okay, we are on page 159 and 160. This is a review page today of un montón de things that you are learning. Okay, but I do want to remind you, okay, listen carefully. I do want to remind you of what you are required to show me in this page, okay? Look what it says on page 159. Number 1. This is very easy. You just have to follow the examples of letter A. That the decimal is 0.3, so the fraction is, if the decimal is 0.3, then we know the fraction is 3 over what? Well, how many zeros do we need? 1, because there's one number after the decimal point, so you have a 10. And then that is called 3 what? You have to look at the denominator. It's tenths with a TH. Because that shows us a fraction or a decimal, right? So you just need to follow the example and then fill in the information that is blank, right? Look at number 2. This one, you have to show me the process. Look at letter A. You have 0.57, 0.6, 0.06, 0.569, right? So what do you have to do? This one has 3 numbers after the decimal point, so now you have to put 3 numbers after the decimal point for each one of them. So it has to be 0.570, 0.600, 0.060, 0.569, because then you can put them in order. From these, what's the smallest number? Danielito? The smallest is 60, right? So we're going to put 0.06. Next one. 569.569. Next one. I'm not going to tell you the rest of them, okay? There you go. That's your help for that one, the least to the greatest. Okay, let's look at number 3. Number 3, you also have to show me your procedimiento, your process, which means you need to show me where you put those zeros. Look at letter A. 1.9, is that greater than, less than, or equal to 0.2? Well, in this case, this one's a very easy one, right? Because 1.9 has to be bigger than 0.2. Because that's a 1 in something, but look at letter B. We don't want you getting tricked by this. If this one has 3 numbers after the decimal place, what do we have to do with this one? Put 3 numbers as well. 1, 2, 3. So then you can see, is it greater than, less than, or equal to? Okay, look at number 4. Number 4 you saw yesterday on your homework yesterday, but I want you to look at it again. Look at letter A. 5.234. We're looking for the red number. Okay, the value of the red number, so what do we do? Your red number was 3. Let's put it in red so we see that. Our red number is 3. What place is that in? Well, remember what we do. Put a 1 under your point, 0, 0. What is that, Oscar? Hundredths. So we can say 3. Oops, I just wrote the number here. 3 hundredths with the TH. Okay, so that's what you do with number 4. Number 5, look at number 5. Mark under the number that is between 0.35 and 0.19. 0.35 and 0.19, so look what we need to do. We have 0.35, we have 0.19, we have 0.189, 1.1, and 0.287. Well, if this number has 3 numbers after the decimal place, we need to make sure every number has 3 numbers after the decimal place. So what it's asking you for is what number is between 190 and 350. Then you have to decide which one it is. Okay? Look at number 6. That one you can do by yourself because it's just least to greatest again. Least to greatest. Number 7, remember how you do number 7, letter A. If you have 7 over 10, well, what do? You put your point How many numbers have to be after the decimal place? 1, right? And there's your 1 number after the decimal place, 0.7. Okay, but don't forget, not all of them are like that. You can't just put 0.5, 0.23, 0.19 without checking that you have enough numbers after the decimal place. And then, look what it says, number 8. Change these decimals to fractions and reduce to lowest terms. So look at letter A, 0.5. Okay, there's 1 number after the decimal place, so you have 5 over 10, because it's 1 0 then. And then you reduce. And you guys can reduce that one all by yourself. Okay, let's see what else. Don't do number 10 today. Don't do number 10 today. You can cross out letter A and B. You got a lot going on there. But the rest of them you can do by yourself. But look at number 11. Letter A, letter B, letter F, letter G. Make sure you put the zeros where you need to put them to solve that correctly. Okay? And that's it for today, you guys. I want to see that you worked really, really hard and tried your best. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.